Here's another video from a familiar angle. You can see where they've started the backfill. And I can see right there in the middle of the picture, water comes out of the ground and runs across the fill that they've put in. They've left a ditch in that gray weathered limestone, weathered shale backfill that they've used. That's from the excavation of the piers, as opposed to, you can see it quite clearly as against the brown natural clay or fill that was brought in when they originally built the project. But there's water coming up out of the ground back at the toe of the slope where the fill is, where they originally excavated to do the work. And it runs across the fill where they've left a low spot. I don't know if you can see that low spot. The fill kind of dips down right there. Then it runs down the hill, down to the level where behind the wall where they were pouring the piers. You can't see the top of the piers. They're all covered up with dirt and gravel. But that water seeping out through there from the day they built the project may have been the cause of the problem from the beginning. That water seeping out through there could have washed soil through cracks in the fill out into the backfill behind the wall, creating voids. You wouldn't think it'd be that much, but if we had a couple days of rain, and over here, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark. Along that one bank, there's another ditch that they've left at the left end of the fill. And it looks like where they've actually almost had a washout across there. Maybe the parking lot drainage came this way, and heavy rains, it was coming over the curb, not going into the catch basins. And that would have gotten in behind the walls, caused settlement. Water seeping through like that is definitely a problem. You go all the way up along the wall, all the way to the end of the repair work, and they go back up the hill to the original level of the parking lot. Doesn't seem to be any water. Maybe one wet spot right about there between us and the crane. That water that's running out of the bank and down over the fill and down in behind the wall, that may be why they've stopped working. They may be having an engineer work on a solution to that. To prevent that from happening.